Hey, with this episode of Surf and Turf Family Adventures, I'm gonna see if I can fix this. See if I can fix that barbecue grate with a $100 welder. Stay tuned. My uncle has a reverse flow smoker, and he asked me to build him, fix a grill and a spot for him to put the wood on. And here's what it looks like right now. Now, to do this project, I have this welder that I have never used before, and I'm hoping it's gonna work. My dad bought it at a garage sale for me. He paid like $100 for it. So we're gonna check it out today. So check this thing out. So it's a Miller Thunderbolt. Hope I don't get shocked. I think I've used it. I've never really used it on anything before, and I've had it a while, and I'm gonna try it out today. I got some 6011 rod, so come along with me and see if I can finish this today. Cut all the metal out. These are gonna be for underneath, kind of holding it up. That's for the framework. So we have 20 by 19, and then we're doing it like this. Like that. See if she even makes any noise. Okay. It's making noise. There we go. So here's my rod. But it's looking go ahead and weld this side. I'm gonna flip it over, weld the other side, and then I'm gonna start putting up my my legs on it next. So all right, we got it all. I got it all welded up, ground it down smooth. Now I'm ready to put the legs on. All right, we got it all welded up. Looking pretty good. Well, I'm gonna wait for those welds to go ahead and cool down, and I'm gonna grind them down again. So I was gonna use this metal, and then I thought it just was a little bit rusty, but it's pretty rusty. So we're gonna have to spring and get some new metal for this project. This thing's ready. This is how it started, and we really beefed that thing up. And now I'm gonna go ahead and just prep this thing right here. This is the grill. I'm gonna take all the old metal off it and then smooth out all the edges and get it ready for welding, and then pretty good. And I tell you what, that little welder, that thing is something. All right, got it all cleaned up. It's all ready for the expanded metal. All right, get my steel delivery. Here comes my delivery driver. How's it going? You got it?
Yep.
Oh, hello. All right, there it is.
It's stick.
Perfect. Just exactly what I needed. Thank you, Joseph. Perfect. All right. I can get back to it and start welding. Watch out. Perfect. All right, that went pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna weld up the grill now. All right, I got it. All welded together. Looks pretty good. Check this out. All right, that looks really good. I'm really happy with that little Miller Thunderbolt welder. Let me show you what this thing looks like again. If you forgot already, this is what it... Wow, worked great. Bought at a yard sale, $100. Amazing. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Surf and Turf Family Adventures, where I showed you how you can weld with a $100 yard sale welder. Can it work? It does work. So if you see one, I'm not saying grab it, but hey, it worked for me. Got it all welded up. Should work great. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.